Good morning from sunny Winnipeg. It's what's the date today? Is it the
I don't know,
8th?
it's September.
September, and I think it's about the
The
8th.
year is 2023.
And we're enjoying a beautiful fall here. And because it's fall, what do we think about?
We think about
We
pumpkins.
think about
I actually
pumpkins.
saw pumpkins at the grocery store
I
yesterday.
know, and the thrift stores are full of them now. Like it's just back to school. That was the big rush, and now it's into pumpkins. So this week when I was at the thrift store, and trust me, I wasn't there much because I have a job.
Oh, she's got a job now. She's running an election campaign.
I'm helping to work in the campaign office, and it's really fun. But it's regular hours during the day, so I'm busy. So anyhow, I did come across these. What do you call these? Like spools of thread, I
I
guess, eh?
guess so. Doesn't this just catch your eye? You're going to the thrift store.
Well, honestly, it looks like a pumpkin. It reminds me of a pumpkin.
Yeah.
And then I found these
We're,
beauties, these little guys, and there's three of them, and they're I don't know what they mohair, and they're not
so
mohair.
you could actually, use this for something.
Yeah, you could.
Oh, I've
Like,
seen people make scarves out of this.
yeah, but I mean,
Yeah.
cute little pumpkins or what?
Yeah.
So, and this is going to be a real short video, but it'll be kind of fun. So, we live in a lot that is full of trees, so there's no shortage of finding
Twigs.
twigs, junk. So, honestly, this is going to become
Okay, our little pumpkin,
our little,
our rustic
what do you
pumpkin.
call these things? Stems. The
Okay.
stems. So find ones that work on each of these.
Mm-hmm.
And then I went to the dollar store and found some. You can pretty those up a little bit. You can work on adding some. Well, it's not greenery, some orangery.
Yeah.
And one other thing that I think is going to set them off a little bit is that too? No, that's not too long. Is we're going to make a number. So I've got tons of
Oh,
these
a
little
little
round
tag.
circles, little
Yeah.
tags,
Yeah.
and I got out my letter press stamp set. So I've got the number 31. So I thought we could put that on
What?
there
Oh, because
and
of
hang it
Halloween?
on. Yeah.
Yeah.
So I'll work on that.
Okay, you
Well,
make your stamp.
you
You're
put the greenery
the
on.
stamp expert.
I've also got my grandkids this morning. These are brand new stamps, by the way. So I want to remind you when you're working with new stamps, I took a 220 grit sandpaper over them first. Just kind of rough them up. Just give them some tooth, something for the ink to catch on to. I'm using my IOD stamp pad.
Are you gonna glue gun these in after? Or
Yes, if they need to be. If they don't need to be, there's no point because then you can take them out and reuse them again. Maybe I'll want to make a scarf in the winter.
Oh, I doubt it.
Yeah,
I don't know that
too.
you've made a scarf in the past.
I've never made a scarf ever,
Yeah, I was gonna
except
say.
when I was like learning to knit, and I think
When did you learn to knit?
When I was about 12, Mom taught me. I made a scarf for my Barbie doll, and I think that was the first and last
a scarf for a
knitting
Barbie
that
doll.
I ever did. Okay, 31. I don't know if black's going to be dark.
You're just making for one of them?
I think just for the big one.
Yeah.
I don't want to overdo it.
Yeah. I like the look of this big one.
31, 31, 31
I
might
don't know
be too
how
much.
much of this stuff to put in
Okay,
here.
and I'm just stamping it on, making sure that you press down all over with your fingers. Rub it around as much as possible.
Stick out more.
I hope the black's going to be... Oh, it's not dark enough. I think I need a lighter color.
Do you need a white, I think? Oh.
I think so.
But...
Or a beige.
You have... The stamp pads come in lighter colors?
I don't have lighter colors. I'll use paint.
Oh, you'll use paint. Okay. I don't know. I'm trying to get this one fitting right. These berries were kind of sticking up too high as far as I could tell. I need scissors. Can you grab me scissors or something? I should have cut this off before I don't know if that'll make a difference.
I've got some sandy blonde
sticking out the bottom, or maybe I'll just fold it up inside of there and see if that works. I think that's all right. Kind of, not really.
Should have had this done before.
What's that? The paint.
A piece of cardboard.
She's got her method for using paint with the stamps. So let's see how her method works. I was trying it the other day, and I think I made mine a little too blotchy. Let's see Mom's tried and true method.
Okay, the black is too dark. It doesn't show up. So,
Okay,
yeah,
I think that looks better.
Oh, those are cute.
Yeah.
Now here, you can arrange them when they're done in a little basket or something. Okay, so what I do is I take my paint. I'm using Sandy Blonde, DIY Sandy Blonde, which is a really nice neutral. It's almost the color of a paper bag. Look at that. You can
Oh
hardly
yeah, it's
see it.
almost.
I think it'll go better with that dark brown.
Yeah, it'll. Okay.
So I just spread it out.
I mean, it just takes a tiny bit, eh?
Because you don't want thick, goopy. Yeah. So now I'm just going to touch her down into my paint, doing the same thing, rubbing it around, getting good coverage. How's that look? Maybe a bit more.
Mm-hmm. I think that's okay.
Oh, those are cute, Kaylee. Okay.
The other one there.
And I'm going to try and hit where the 3 and the 1 were.
All I've noticed on these guys is it's better,
down.
I think, to take those off, and they're too long.
Yeah.
So you need to fold them up or do something with them.
Okay, pressing down. Now that'll dry a bit lighter. I don't know.
It's not that.
Maybe I need crinoline.
Yeah. Or is there enough paint on there? I don't know.
Yeah, maybe that's the problem.
I don't know.
We'll go again.
Well, if it doesn't work the first time,
maybe I didn't have it thick
paint
enough.
over it. This one's got a little less, but I think that's cute just to give it some variety.
Oh,
maybe.
Those are super cute.
I think I'll leave that one maybe a little less.
Okay, we're inking up again.
This one, I don't know if I should make any adjustments.
And we're going down again.
Maybe I will make adjustments. You can see there's a real art to this. Oh,
that's better. But
that's way
I got
better.
A little bit on the outside.
Yeah, I mean,
I got
caught.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's much better.
Much better. And it'll dry a bit later too. So, yeah, that'll show up. I wanted kind of the rustic-y look on here. Which is, that's kind of nice if the black shows through a little bit underneath. I don't know if it will or not, but
yeah, no, that's nice.
That's good. I might need a bit more stain on that.
Oh, it kind of rubbed off a bit.
Maybe.
Do you think that's all right?
Oh, that's so cute. So see if you can fit all of those in that.
Okay. Let's see if we can arrange them all in here. Oh, this one. Oh, it does have. I'm looking for these little
berries.
Put the big one down first.
Just rub a bit on there.
Let's see what we can
might be a defect in the wood.
Oh, maybe.
No big deal. Okay, and then we could glue. Okay, this is the front?
Yeah, this is the front facing us.
Maybe I'll glue this on here somewhere.
Are you thinking like pile this one in here,
yeah,
but then you can't see that one? Or set it on front?
Here. Okay, I'll just put a dab of glue right.
We need a little something for it to sit on.
Lift it up a bit.
Yeah. Okay, I'll use this purely as a prop. I'll use this. I don't know what to use. I'm just looking for something to give it some height.
Yeah.
Yeah,
cute.
and then you can't see this little stick. I don't know.
Well, you can't see everything.
No, but that's.
Yeah, I see what you do. Yeah, cute.
Yeah, that's lovely.
Okay, let's show everybody.
Yeah, go take it over there. I'll take it over there. Well, there's our little pumpkin patch project. Quick and easy thing to have at the entrance, and welcome fall. And I think we should put this at the entrance.
I think we should.
All right. Well, thanks for watching, guys. Please give us a like and a subscribe. Happy to be with you guys here today.
Have a great day.